Alright, time to power through these last two boxes, so let's get started. I'm just gonna go and see if I can get to the rares. That way, I have a lot of time. Nice, Lucario. Hit Power. Pretty good. You know, there is super rares, and that's called shinies, but I haven't seen one yet, which means they must be extremely, extremely rare. Because in 4 boxes, not a single one, it's pretty crazy. Nice, Curem EX. I already have one, but that's pretty sweet. And a Saucebuck. Nothing new there. Nothing cool anyway. Alright. Focuses Elgium, Vanillite, Manhattan, Zapdos. Oh yeah. Pretty sweet. Lucario, blah blah. Double colorless, not too bad. Alright, we have a Deerling, Pikachu, Sneasel, Craggonal, Charmander. Litwick, Vanillish, Pidove, nice Gardevoir. Really happy about that. Alright. Deerling, Wigglytuff, B-Sharp, nice. We have Elgium, Rampant, Pheasant, yep. Nothing terribly new there. Alright, here we have a Bronzor, Growlithe, Cubchoo, Regigigas EX. Definitely awesome. And a Moongus. Alright. Pheasant, Ponyard, Curlia, Raichu. Not too bad. Fungus, Potus, Arcanine, nice. I always like Arcanine. And Craggonal. Alright, here we have a, if it focuses, come on, you can do it. Jigglypuff, Ralts, Darmanitan, Chandelure, not bad, it's a hollow, and a level ball. Dang, I've already smashed this box. Look at that. 4 packs left. 5 minutes. Alright, here we have a Poniard, Fungus, bit of Behion Lapras. Two EXs so far, kind of okay. No full arts yet. Out on Amogus. 2 packs. Alright. Vanillite, Pikachu, Sneasel, Sawsbuck. Last one, guys. Hopefully something awesome. We have a Curlia, Vanillite. Oh my god, another Kyurem EX full art card. Hell yeah, that definitely makes the box worth it. Oh yeah. That's what I like to see. Alright, awesome box so far. Let's go ahead and get to the last box, which is Psycho Drive. And I will have opened up all 6, so yeah. We'll go and start with that. Thanks for watching.